Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating history of Christmas, how it began and evolved into the beloved holiday we know today. Christmas is celebrated by millions around the world. But have you ever wondered how it all started? Let's travel back in time to uncover its origins. Our story begins in ancient Rome. Before Christmas was established, Romans celebrated a festival called Saturnalia. This was a week-long event in December honoring Saturn, the god of agriculture. It was a time of feasting, gift-giving, and merrymaking. Meanwhile, early Christians were looking for ways to honor the birth of Jesus Christ. By the 4th century, church leaders decided on December 25th as the official date for this celebration. Why December 25th? Some historians believe it was chosen to coincide with or replace pagan festivals like Saturnalia and Sol Invictus, which celebrated the return of longer days after the winter solstice. As Christianity spread across Europe, Christmas began to absorb various cultural traditions. In medieval times, it became a mix of religious observance and secular festivity. People attended church services and then celebrated with feasts, music, and games. The Victorian era brought significant changes to Christmas traditions. Influenced by stories like Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol, the holiday became more family-oriented. This period popularized many customs we cherish today, such as decorating Christmas trees and sending holiday cards. Today, Christmas is a global celebration that transcends its religious roots. It's a time for family gatherings, exchanging gifts, and spreading joy and goodwill. So, there you have it, the journey of Christmas, from ancient times to modern-day festivities. It's a holiday rich in history and tradition, bringing people together across cultures and generations. Thanks for joining us on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating stories. Happy holidays!